I rarely get this excited about these fabrics, but boy am I excited. These are absolutely lovely. First we start with linens. We've got quite a few linens here. This is a cobalt blue. It's like the color everybody wants. It's perfect. These are 100% linen. I said to my guy in New York, how do they get these wrinkles? They're advertising linen with no wrinkles. He said, how about polyester? These are great linens though. They have very little wrinkling to them. 100% from Italy. They are beautiful. This is obviously a perfect match to it, but it's 100% viscose. Feels like a silk. Drapes like a silk. It's like a silk, but it's not. It's a viscose. So it has a border, it has a dual border, 8 inches on each side. It repeats on the other side. And again, it's just a perfect match. You talk about $1,000 of outfits. That's it. This is pink. Pink is everywhere, as we know. These linens are 100% reversible. You can't tell the difference from side to side, which is always a sign of a great linen. This is a chambray. It's 100% cotton, but just fine, fine, fine Italian cotton. It is just beautiful. Now these are all $29.99 today. They will go up because they're not cheap fabrics, but they're beautiful. This is a printed cotton. It's a denim. It's a printed denim. It is woven. All these fabrics are woven, but look at the colors on that. Isn't that beautiful? And look at the pink that goes with it. There's so many colors in here that the pinks go, the denim goes, the blue goes. Really, I put in all these colors that look beautiful together. Printed denim, 100% cotton. Then I put this linen in because I thought it looked so beautiful together with this printed cotton, but you can see even by itself, just an absolute gorgeous color, 100% linen. Again, both sides usable. Just gorgeous. Oh, just gorgeous. So you cannot not have happy sewing with these. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.